Want to check your call history on your Google account? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. It can be Chrome, Safari, or any browser you like. Next, go to voice.google.com. This is Google Voice, where your calls, messages, and voicemails are stored. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account you want to check. Make sure it's the right account, especially if you have multiple Gmail accounts. After signing in, look at the menu on the left. Click on Calls. Here, you'll see all the calls made and received using your Google number. You can see details like call time, duration, and contact information. If you don't see any call history, make sure your Google number is linked to your account. Only calls made with your Google number will appear here. You can also explore Messages and Voicemail in the same menu to get more details about your Google Voice activity. That's it! Now you can easily check your call history anytime.